Part 4. How we make money. As experienced traders in the industry, we understand what truly works and what doesn't, which is why we follow the money using price action. In trading, the real money comes from commissions generated from trade volume. Every trade activated in the market incurs a price per contract volume, and the larger the trading volume, the more commissions and money can be made. While a trading strategy may produce consistent growth, the significant volume of money comes from the commissions per trade across all exchanges and networks. Our objective is to build a community of consistent and successful traders, and as a side effect, we will collect billions of dollars in commissions volume from all the trading activity. This is the same path that anyone interested in trading can follow to generate substantial revenue and grow their trading business successfully while also perfecting and learning more about how to build automated trading systems. Quick points about the reality of making money in trading. Although trading gains from working trading strategies consists of billions of dollars in the market, commissions from trading volume are the primary source of income in the trading industry. Successful and large volume traders focus on building a trading community of consistent and profitable traders, generating large commissions volumes that eventually become a large firm.